Yes, can you hear me? Oh, thank you. So shall I start? Oh, thank you. Hello, everyone. We are the Yellow Creators. Project we bring today is Intelligence Coconut Processing Line, which mainly focus on processing of coconut, from coconut to things we can drink, eat, and use. As an important tropical crop, coconut is very popular in Hainan. The annual consumption of coconut in Hainan province is 3 billion, and this figure has reached 41 billion in the Philippines and Indonesia. Most of these coconuts are sent to factories for processing. Coconuts processed food we can see in daily life are processed from coconut meat. Coconut juice can be processed into a variety of drinks, and coconut shell can also be used as Arctic carbon. You can use every part of coconut after processing. However, the current processing conditions in the factory are not as good as expected. Not only rely heavily on manual processing, but also the workers' safety cannot be guaranteed. Let's take a video. And the video shows it is very hurtful. In fact, some factories are aware of this problem. They have imported some processing machines from abroad. But these machines also have problems such as bulky, expensive, and hard to fix. The Yeshu company recently introduced a type of shelling machines. Let's take a look at how it shells coconuts. In response to this situation, our team has brought a set of intelligence coconut processing line, and its structure is clearly shown on this flash. Below, I will introduce the three machines of this line in detail. First, let's take a look at how the coconut splinter juicer works. Such a machine can process 1,800 coconuts an hour, which is 10 times more than a worker can do. Next, let's take a look at the video of the coconut shell meat spreader, the second machine. Also, as you can see, it is very easy to operate this machine. And let's come to the last machine. The last machine is a coconut black peel remover, which innovatively uses a method of filleting the coconut meat and then cut it with a knife to remove the black skin on the surface of the coconut meat. The peeling process is very efficient. This machine is currently being manufactured, and it is expected to process 1,080 kilometers of coconut meat per hour. It is worth mentioning that our team has published 17 related papers and applied for 13 patents in coconut field. Here is a display of some papers and patents related to this invention. So what kind of business mode should such an efficient and intelligent line adopt? I will leave the following time to my partner.
In order to ensure the performance of the separator, we cooperated with the Coconut Research Institute of the Chinese Academy of Tropical Agricultural Sciences and guided by a number of experts with professor titles. Furthermore, we assemble undergraduates and postgraduates majoring in mechanical, agronomy, accounting, and marketing to provide support for technical research and development. Meanwhile, to make products meet the needs of the factories, we have cooperated with coconut processing enterprises such as Yeshu Company. We put the prototypes into the workshop for trial use and collected the feedbacks so that our product is more in line with the actual requirements of customers. Our target market is large coconut processing and prices. Take Hainan province, for example. The demand for coconut processing in 2019 has reached 1.5 billion. The vast market and the economic benefits are our two major competitive advantages. According to field research, about 175 coconuts can be processed per hour by manual work, and the shearer can process 300 to 500 coconuts per hour. However, our separator can complete 3,600 coconuts of shelling and digging pulp. It is 10 to 20 times that our separator can increase the efficiency for factories, while saving 0.2 yuan of processing cost per coconut. Next is our profit model. In the first year, we will adopt the direct selling model and apply the infiltration pricing strategy to quickly open the market with a low price of 60,000 per machine to realize the promotion and rapid return of funds. Considering the long service life of our product, there is of little possibility for customers to purchase repeatedly during a long time. As a result, the market is easy to reach saturation. Therefore, to maximize profit, we will adopt the lease mode from the second year. We will charge a fixed rent of 15,000 per machine and a processing fee of 0.1 yuan per piece of coconut processing. It is worth mentioning that we have signed a purchase contract with Hainan Tianjuye Agricultural Technology Company and sold 3 machines in 2 times for a total of 118,000 yuan. In terms of product promotion, our project has been reported by many authoritative media, such as Hainan Daily. As the Hainan International High-Tech Industry and Innovation and Entrepreneurship Exhibition, our team was the only student team to participate in, and our products attracted widespread attention among the coconut industry. Thank you for listening, and criticisms are welcome. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for this interesting project on coconuts. I've never expected that we ever get a coconut project here, but I had some problems about your concept. So is it you built the prototype, or is it already in production? How is this machine doing?
The first 2 machines we have managed, and we have contacted some factories, and they one of the factories have started to use our machines. But the third machines we haven't managed yet. We haven't managed make it out yet. So we are going to plan. We are going to make it in about half a year. So after we make it out, we would like to send it to some factories in Hainan and test what it perform, how it perform.
Okay, thank you.
May I ask? Sorry, Ronald. Yeah. So please tilt your camera. Let me see the girl. I didn't see the girl's face.
Oh.
Yeah. So actually, yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, that's nice. I see your team. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, next question from the jury.
I have a question because coconuts has different sizes. So your machine, you mentioned many machines. Can you tell me how are you going to compensate the different sizes of the coconut? So your machine can handle coconut with different sizes.
Yes. For our first machine, it is a little bigger than the biggest coconut, and it is and it's just for the coconut milk. So you can the size of the coconut does not matter that much. So, and for the second machine, we make the shell. We make the shell part. Let me think how to talk about it. which means the distance between the knives which squeeze the coconut. You can change the distance, and the third machine, because of the coconut, when the coconut entered the third machine, it has been broken, so you don't have to worry about the size of coconut.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Further questions?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
For the second machine, the purpose of the second machine is remove the outer shell. Is that right?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Okay, for the second machine.
Yeah.
The purpose of the second machine is remove the outer shell. Is that right?
Yes. The purpose of the second machine is to spread the coconut meat and its shell.
Shell, yeah. So that in the video, there's some shell is only without the white part, but another shell has a white part, coconut part, I think.
Yes.
So
yes. The coconut.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Am I right? The coconut meat, the white part is the coconut meat, and we can use it to make the food we can see in our daily life.
Yes, so that the purpose of the second machine is just remove that coconut meat, white part, so that only the outer shell is coming out. But in the video, there's some coconut shell has that white meat.
Yes.
So that means that your machine is not so complicated. Is not so good for that.
Yes. Yes. I know what you mean. I understand. For some primary green coconuts, we don't use the second machine. As you know, the coconuts which went to go into the factory, they are mostly the old coconut, which color is gray. So the second machine could process them, and the first machine could process the green one to get its milk, coconut milk.
Okay, thank you.